This was the study we had done in the previous classes. Now let's start from this. Momentum is very crucial topic and it proves its importance in the law called as conservation of momentum. Remember properly, the topic of today's session is conservation of momentum. Right. What is the basic meaning of conservation? Students, let me tell you, conservation means no change. Conservation means no change as it is. The total amount earlier will be equal to total amount afterwards. Right. There is no change in the value of the amount, then the quantity is said to be conserved. Suppose I am having 5 fingers in my hand. Right. Today I have 5 fingers and tomorrow also I will have 5 fingers only. Right. This thing is called as conservation. When there is no change in the quantity, then we have the law of conservation. Right. Now extend the concept of conservation to momentum. Right. If the total momentum of any system, if the total momentum of any system always remains same, then it is called as conservation of momentum. Right. Now I am going to read I am going to speak the concept of conservation of momentum. What does the meaning of conservation of momentum convey? Right. Conservation of momentum says that this is a very famous law. In physics, law are not made as it is. Right. They are derived from the examples from nature. Right. Let us start again. Conservation of momentum. Right, students? The statement is, if there is no external force, if there is no external force in the system, or there is no force coming from outside to the system, then always remember the total momentum before is always equal to the total momentum after. Right. Keep in mind the condition. There should be no external force. No force should come from outside. So we can simply say in the absence of any external force, the total momentum before is always equal to the total momentum after. Right, students? This is the statement of conservation of momentum. Now only statement is not enough. In today's physics session, I am going to give some examples also. Right. For the example number 1, first example is there. It is called as Newton's cradle. I am repeating, Newton's cradle. Now watch the example, then we will discuss it.